I don't know what's going on. Somebody please tell me what's going on with this casting, man. Like me personally, like I don't like this. I don't like this. First of all, you got who is this guy they got playing as Ghost? And Ghost had braids? Now, I'm gonna set the record straight. It was a trailer. And it's about to show in 3, 2, 1. Right behind me. This trailer right here. Where you got a young Ghost. Whom I thought, and everybody was to believe, that this guy in the black leather jacket played the young Ghost, and that was young Tommy with the braids. And right there was young Angela. That was Ghost's girlfriend before he met Tasha. So this is the Ghost that everybody thought that was going to play Ghost in the Power organ. And so us watching this trailer, and I'm like, man, this dude, this is the young Ghost. Like, this is the effing stuff that I'm talking about. They casted this right, because that looked like Angela. The dude with the braids, that kind of threw me off, because I ain't know Tommy had braids. But I was like, yeah, okay, I can work with that, right? Because, Tommy still came off like he was acting like a young Tommy would act, right? So I was like, I brushed that off. But I come across, and let me read this right here. It says that Spence Monroe of Creed 3, Charlie Mann, The Watchers, have been cast as the leaders in Starz Power Organs. They will play Ghost and Tommy, respectively the younger version of the characters portrayed by Mari Hardwick and Joseph Sikora in the Mothership of Power series. Okay, this video right here, this is behind the scenes footage of Kanan and young Ghost walking together. Tell me that this don't look crazy, right? He got braids, ain't even light skin. And this is another picture right here. So y'all can get a closer look of who's going to be playing Ghost. Not the dude who we seen in the trailer just a few minutes ago, what I just showed you with the young Ghost. Not him. But they got this guy right here. Now, I'm not taking away from nothing from this guy, because this guy, I've seen him in other things and he can act. He was in I think he was in Chocolate City or something like that. I didn't watch all that. But from what I did see on the scenes, like, he can act, true. But we have to have the looks, at least look a little bit like, Ghost. Like, we are serious about, like, people don't know that the Ghost character in Power, people take that serious. You can't just be casting anybody all willy-nilly and thinking that we supposed to be cool with that. Now, we going to watch Power Organs for the simple fact that we want to see how the way they grew up. We really want to, be a part of that, right? But we're not, as Power, on behalf of the Power Organs, Power Universe, this casting, for Ghost, they dropped the ball. Looks-wise, they dropped the ball. And looks-wise is important to me. People always say, it's about the acting, it's about the acting. Like, no. I'm not going to believe the actor. I don't care how serious and how great he acts. I'm not going to believe it if he don't even, at least have the same damn complexion as Ghost. Like, it just don't make no sense to me. And Power Organs is coming soon. But how the way this is looking, I can wait. I ain't in no rush. Not after seeing that. Now, when I seen the guy who we thought was going to be playing Ghost, I was like, man, that Power Organs can't come soon enough. I'm like, please hurry up and just not hurry up, but I'm to the point man, I can't wait to see this. But they just strictly just hit us with a curveball and got this dude right here behind me with the afro playing Ghost. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed, man. I know I ain't the only one that's disappointed, but would the acting even matter if the dude don't even look nowhere near close to the dang Ghost character? I'm just trying to understand, or trying to come to some sort of type of understanding of what happened with the guy who was originally supposed to play as Ghost. It don't make no sense to me. It's just a straight slap. The more I think about it, the more I talk about it, is the more angry I get. But I'm done with giving benefits of the doubts. I'm done with that. I'm all benefits of the doubts out. No, nothing in my pocket. Straight lint. No more benefits of the doubt to give. Because every time I do that, I end up, looking like the crazy one. For giving, whatever the situation, it may be a chance. Damn, dude don't even look nothing like, he looked like Lil Baby. Don't look like no damn ghost. This is Lil Baby. I mean, if y'all want to cast Lil Baby, just do that. Don't try to get another version of him and try to say this is Ghost. This ain't no damn Ghost. This is Lil Baby you got playing Ghost. And we supposed to be okay with that. This is crazy, man. I ain't never seen nothing like this. I mean, I'm almost wanting to sign a petition telling people not to watch this show. But I ain't gonna do that because I can't let my emotions dictate something that could probably be something. It was hard for me to say that. It was hard for me to say that. I mean, everybody else is fine. Like, everybody else is like, is what they're supposed to be as far as character portrayals. Like, Tommy, the younger Tommy right there, I can sense that. I can see that. But Lil Baby as Ghost? Get the fuck out of here. And we supposed to be okay with that. I mean, I bet Lil Baby probably be like, damn, y'all should have just casted me. Might as well. You gonna have a lookalike. I mean, Ghost was acting gangster then. I mean, that ain't too far away from up the par from Lil Baby. Got Lil Baby and motherfucking power and saying that this is supposed to be Ghost. I know Lil Baby probably pissed right now, man. The fuck? How you gonna have somebody like me when you could have just got me? More people probably know of Lil Baby than this dude. Shout out to this dude, but Lil Baby probably a bigger, like, more popularity over this guy. But we supposed to believe this is young Ghost when we had the right Ghost. It's like the more I go back and I put this together. But this is all making me think like this is probably, Hollywood politic 101. They want to go with the guy that was in other things instead of going with the guy who actually could act as well and fit the part when it comes down to the looks as well. But we'll settle for a little bit. For 500. I'm like this, man. This really killed my spirit a little bit. Now I'm over here looking forward to the Snowfall spinoff, man. Because first it was like, man, Power Organs or nothing else, man. Like, I can't wait for Power Organs. And Snowfall spinoff, when I seen that, I was like, and I'm going to make another video for that. I was like, damn, now I got 2 shows to look forward to. Now I'm seeing this. Y'all got Lil Baby as Ghost. It's like, scrap this off my, one of the shows that I couldn't wait to watch before. Scrap this shit off. I don't want to watch this shit no more. I don't want to look forward to this shit no more. So now it's just Snowfall to spin off. And it's also making me think, also, y'all, that are they trying to personally sabotage the Power franchise or something? Like, who cares? Who? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sensei's reality. Nothing else left to be said there. Y'all have a good one. One love. Peace.